Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove Bither Wallet application from your phone. First of all, find the application on your device. Then, long press on it. Here, you can find various options. Click on the Remove App option, which is labeled in red color. Now, click on Delete Application. If you click on Remove from Home Screen, it won't be deleted, but it will be removed from your home screen. After that, click on Delete to remove Bither application from your phone. You can also remove this application from your settings. Find and open Settings application on your device. Now, go to General tab. After that, go to Storage. Here, you need to find the application. Click on Show All and find the application from here. If you didn't find it, go to the search bar which is at the top of your screen and type in the name of your application. Now, click on the application and click on Delete App button. After that, confirm it by clicking on Delete App once again. Now, your application will be deleted. As you can see that the application has been removed from the home screen also. So that is how you can remove Bither Wallet application from your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.